Yay!
Oh, thank you!
Yay! 감사합니다, Coach Nim! Subscribe tayo ni Coach Nim. Wow! Korean national team. Fall 7 times, stand up at 8. Sabi ka ng Japanese proverb. May kasama tayo ngayon, pero pag alas 12, this is a very VIP experience. Sasara tong ice skating rink na to, and this will be exclusive for us. Ganito ang buhay kapag may kasamang content creators. Guys, very aesthetic yung place. Hello guys! Annyeonghaseyo! Kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Koripo Traveler. Welcome to Gangneung, South Korea! So this is our 5th tourism hub city na explore dito sa Korea. Our 5th and last. Ang gagawin natin ngayon ay, syempre, kumain muna ng lunch. Did you bring it in the van? Tara, kain muna tayo. Oh! This is really a nice restaurant. Wow. Guys, very aesthetic yung place. Look at the huge glass window. And it's called, if you want to go to Gangneung, this is called Serenita. Serenita Bistro and Cafe. It's Italian. Do you miss Ayu already? Oh, I miss Ayu too. Shinmin ah.
That would be too much for one kid.
Yeah.
No, but it was only to film. Then we get back.
Alright. It's Mexican. It's Italian. Ganito ang buhay kapag may kasamang content creators. Picture ng food and then eat. Ganon din ba kayo guys? We have to document our experiences. The food that we eat. When we see the photos, we'll remember. We miss you, Ayu!
Yes, on time.
Travel fries. Nice.
Wait, did you get sick?
Yeah. Is she okay? Okay now.
Okay, get siya na.
Okay, have a picture.
Okay.
I don't need the food.
Okay.
Is everything?
Okay. All the food that we have. Italian food. Risotto, pasta, pizza. Perfecto. Let's eat. Ayu is here. Mr. So was looking for you earlier. What I love about this restaurant, the power bank. Perfecto.
Perfecto. Estamos comiendo pasta. Oye, ¿saben qué? Oh.
Grabe yung risotto. Heaven. Heaven on earth. The fries. Pasta.
Ahora,
Kumuha ulit tayo ng risotto and pizza. Grabe yung risotto dito guys. Ang sarap. Pati yung fries actually masarap. The texture, the taste, the right saltiness. Charing. I love it. Perfecto. And I will always remember you as the perfecto girl.
perfecto.
Everything is perfecto. Pero risotto ang the best. Check lang natin yung dessert guys. May mga cake and cheesecake. Tapos tingnan niyo yung CR. Cute. May pang kid. And I think this rest is really dog friendly. Kasi meron ditong kumakain na may mga aso. Look, ang inclusive ng resto na to. May room for the babies. Let's go. The leaves are starting to become red. Goodbye. Bye-bye, Mr. So! Samahan nyo kaming mag-ice skating muna. Tingnan nyo naman. So, itong ice skating venue natin ay naging venue din ng Pyeongchang 2018, the Winter Olympics. Let's go! So, grabe ang daming pwedeng mapuntahan dito sa Gangneung, guys. As in, like, nagulat ako sa dami niyang pwedeng puntahan. Rich in history, culture, mga museum, activities na pwedeng gawin. Like, ang dami. I'm surprised, ang daming pwedeng gawin. Ah. Oh. Snacks. Ito tayo ng gloves.
One side. Exchange it. Don't worry. Take one.
It's cold. Wow. It's autumn season. It's even colder here. It's like winter.
We're gonna close the door. So
Oh.
if you have any sounds to play, you can just...
This is exclusive to us?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. Oh. Look. I think shower area to before.
If it's too cold, just keep moving, okay?
Tara, magsuot na tayo ng gloves, guys. It's so nice experiencing all these things here in Gangneung. The shoes. 감사합니다.
We'll change it, the size. 이분 240. 여자분 240.
You just close this, right?
So, you have this black thing, right? If you want it to be tighter, you just open it and then put this more deeper, and then click the other. Right?
Because you're from Kazakhstan. You have snow.
Yeah, because it's pretty cold, and especially where I'm born, like everyone can skate there.
Oh.
Because it's really cold there.
We can follow you later.
Yeah.
I have to kiss
us.
Yes, perfect.
Perfect. See,
Perfecto. Wow.
Everybody can speak Spanish now.
Takot akong matumba, but we can do this. Wow.
Side. Walk side.
Turn to the side.
Okay, okay. Alright, let's do this. First time ice skating in overseas. And it's in Korea, the venue of the Olympics.
I'm freezing.
Yeah, me too. Yeah, that's why I want you to move. Yeah, me too.
Nice.
Yeah. You need to practice some more. We have enough time, like a 1 hour time. Sure, like this.
So guys, nagtitrain tayo with our coach Mim dito. So guys, sabi may kasama tayo ngayon. Pero pag alas 12, this is a very VIP experience. Sasara tong ice skating rink na to. And this will be exclusive for us. Struggling ako now, pero gusto ko ma-experience yung na-enjoy talaga yung pag-skate. Ayan, natumba tayo. Kita nyo yun. Ayan, lumalabas na sila, guys. Solo natin to for photos, videos. Yes. So part of growing up is falling down.
Wow, that's word.
Yan siya na. Fall 7 times, stand up at 8. Sabi ka ng Japanese proverb. Na di ko sure kung tama yung kung exactly yun. Pero tara. Group photo? Okay. Okay. Group photo first. My body's aching. Oh my goodness. Feeling ko hindi ko lang nakukuha yung tamang galaw. Gusto ko siyang ma-enjoy talaga na yung nagla-glide lang. Hello. Hola.
Mari.
Alright, picture sa Jin. Ayun is so good. From surfing to ice skating. Everything. You're a sports girl. Wow. Korean national team. Always. Guys, dito tayo siya perfect, but it's okay. Dito ko natamaan kanina. Sana hindi magkapasa. That's part of learning. Yung madapa-dapa.
Dave!
Whoa. I wasn't able to watch earlier, but I think it's good.
You're like, it's horrible. Like, she's really good.
Of course, Ayin. She's from a country with snow. Go faster, go faster. Oh. Ito si Ayin, ang galing talaga niya. Yung coach name natin, guys, nakaka-proud again. Part of Team Korea. Basta ice skating. Oh, careful. Basta ice skating, naalala ko yung Full House. Tapos, King the Land. Kasi sa Full House, pinasara ni Justin. Si Justin Sirin. Pinasara niya yung ice skating rink. Sa Lotte World din. Sa Lotte World ice skating rink. Tapos nag-skating sila sa gabi. Birthday yun ni Jessie or ni Song Ye-kyo. Napanood nyo ba yun? One of the OGs. And of course, the most recent ay King the Land. Chaebol. Chaebol yung role doon ni Lee Jun-ho. Partner niya si Yuna. Tapos ganun din. Nag-ice skating sila sa Lotte World. Kasi meron ganito sa Lotte World din. It's in Seoul. But here in Gangneung, ito yung venue ng Olympics. We have 4 minutes. I really want to learn this. Alam mo yung nagla-glide na lang talaga ako. My YouTube name, Dave Gino. Yay!
Oh, thank you.
Yay! Kamsahamnida, Coach Name! Subscribe tayo ni Coach Name. Saya. Kamsahamnida! That was fun. Of course, we returned the gears. I'm not sure if she's taking this.
We can ask her.
Yeah. That was our ice skating experience dito sa Gangneung. Nakakatuwa yung dami ng pwede nating magawa dito sa Gangneung, guys. Isa lang ito. Grabe. Saya. I still need to learn how to skate. Pero at least meron na tayong some beginner na ideas on how to skate. And this is Pyeongchang 2018 venue. Curling skate. So, yun guys. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Ay, it's fun to do physical activities pero sumakit yung dito ko nung natumba ako. But again, it's part of learning and growing up. Charged to experience. This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. Let's live our best lives. Bye-bye!